Good morning, friends. I hope you all are fine. And first of all, I would like to welcome you in our new channel, which is Sarvatra classes. And in the previous lecture, we have already studied about the geography. What is geography and the description of the geography and also the branches of geography. Now, in this lecture, we will discuss about the universe, the various components of the universe that constitute the universe. Okay. So first of all, I will suggest you to watch my previous lecture and after that just come to this chapter because it will be very helpful for you. Okay. So before studying about the universe, we will discuss about what actually universe is. So the we can say the universe is very vast and infinite space having millions of galaxies. Okay. So what is universe? The universe is vast and infinite space having millions of galaxies. Now it constitute of the stars. Okay, so what are stars? So stars are the celestial bodies that are having their own heat and light. Okay, now coming towards the galaxies, then galaxies are a family of the system of the millions and millions of the stars. There are lots of galaxies. We will learn about them in this chapter, and there are lots of fact related to these galaxies and related to the stars. Okay, so the one of the best fact, or we can say the uh, one of the best fact related to the star, related to the nearest star of the sun, which is Proxima Centauri. It is the light of the nearest star to the sun, which is Proxima Centauri, reaches to the earth in 4 years. Okay, so this is a very nice question. You should know about this. And uh, at last I will tell you that what the study of we can say what is the study of universe called. Okay, so the study of universe is known as cosmology. So all these points I have written in the whiteboard, so just please note it down. The first one is the vast and infinite space having billions of galaxies is called universe, and stars are the celestial bodies having their own heat and light, and galaxy is a family of system of millions and millions of stars. And the fourth one is the light of the nearest star to the sun, which is Proxima Centauri. Note down this name, reaches to us in 4 years. Okay, the study of universe is called cosmology. So please note it down. I'm giving you 2 seconds of time. Just take the screenshot of it. Okay, after that we will discuss about the origin of the universe. Okay. Okay, friends, I'm erasing this. Okay, friends. So first of all, we will discuss about the origin of the universe. So the first theory that comes to our mind when we study about the origin of the universe is Big Bang theory. Basically, it is the most popular argument related to the origin of the universe. It is also known as the expanding universe theory or hypothesis. In 1920, Edwin Hubble proposed or provided the evidence that the universe is expanding. After that, uh, one of the scientists known as Georges Edward Lemaitre proved or gave this theory about the Big Bang theory. And scientists also believe that the space between the galaxies is increasing, whereas the galaxies themselves are not increasing. Okay, so these are few points that you must know about the Big Bang theory. Okay, so I have already written them in the whiteboard, so note it down. Okay, the first point is that most popular argument related to the origin of the universe. This is one of the major note. And after that, it is also known as the expanding universe theory or hypothesis. And in 1920, Edwin Hubble provided the evidence that universe is expanding, and this was proposed by Georges Edward Lemaitre. Okay, and scientists believe that the space between the galaxies is increasing and the galaxies themselves are not increasing. So please note it down. I'm giving you 2 seconds of time. Okay, just take the screenshot of it. Okay, friends. Okay friends, so now we will discuss about the stages in the development of the universe. So first of all, in the beginning, the universe, or we can say the components that made the universe, were like a tiny ball, okay, tiny ball, and which was of a small volume and having high, or we can say infinite density and infinite temperature. And after that, at big bang, it exploded and gave huge expansion, okay. And it happened just before 13.7 billion years ago, and the expansion is still continues, okay. So the expansion is continuing, it's still. And after that, the expansion happened, and as the expansion happened, some energy changes was converted into matter. So due to the release of the energy, the matter the matter was formed, okay. And after the matter was formed, then there was a drop of 4500 kelvin temperature within the 3 lakh years. Within 3 lakh years, there was a drop of 4500 kelvin temperature, who, which gave the formation of the atomic matter, and that make the universe to become the transparent, okay. So this was the basically stages in the development of the universe according to the big bang theory. So please note it down. I have already written all this. All matter was like tiny ball having small uh, volume, infinite temperature and infinite density. And at big bang, the tiny ball exploded and led to huge expansion. And it happened before 13.7 billion years ago, and expansion still continues. And as it grew, some energy converted into matter, and within 3 lakh years the temperature dropped to 4500 kelvin and gave rise to atomic matter, and the universe became transparent. So these were the stages in the development of the universe. Please note it down, and I am giving you 2 seconds of time. Just take the screenshot of it. After that, we will study about the another theory related to the origin of the universe. Okay. Okay friends, I'm just erasing this. Okay friends. Okay friends, so there are two other theory related to the origin of the universe. So the first one is steady state theory, and the second one is the pulsating universe theory. Okay, so what is steady state theory? It is basically an alternative to the Big Bang theory, and the most influential paper related to this theory were written by the Hermann Bondi, and there are other scientists such as Thomas Gold and Fred Hoyle in 1948. And this considers, or we can say this theory considers, that the universe is same at every point of time, okay. So what is considers? It considers that the universe is same at every point of time. So this is basically the concept of the steady state theory. And the another theory, or the third one, is pulsating universe theory. It is, we can say, a variation of a Big Bang theory, in which it suggests that the we can say the universe goes through the successive we can say you goes through the successive period of expansion and contraction. So it is basically a variation of the Big Bang theory, and it explains that the universe goes through successive period of expansion as well as contraction, and the universe pulsates between the Big Bang and Big Squeeze. So universe pulsates between Big Bang and Big Squeeze, and it was given by Alan Sanders. It was proposed by Alan Sanders. So these are the theory related to the origin of the universe. I hope that you are understanding whatever I am trying to make you understand. And these are very easy topics and you must learn. Okay, so first of all, just note down this theory related to the origin of the universe. After that, we will discuss some more concepts related to the celestial bodies. Okay. Okay, friends, just take the screenshot of this. Okay, friends, I am going to erase this. Okay, friends. Okay, friends, after discussing about the origin of the universe, we will discuss about the celestial bodies. So, what are the celestial bodies? All the objects such as the sun, the moon, etc., that appear shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Okay, and these are also known as heavenly bodies, and these are of two types. One which is having their own light, example star, the sun, and the another which are not having their own light but reflects the light of the another, such as stars. So these stars give them the light to reflect. Example of the another type is such as moon and planet, they do not have their own light. Okay, and the person who studies, or those who studies about the celestial bodies and the movement of these celestial bodies are known as astronomers. And the, one of the fact that what does planet means, then the word planet means wanderer. So these are the important things, or we can say important points, that we must learn about the celestial bodies. So I have already written them in the whiteboard, just note it down. Okay, first of all, you have to note that celestial bodies are all these objects such as the sun, the moon, which appear shining in the night sky, and these are also known as heavenly bodies. And after that, who are astronomers? Those who studies the celestial bodies and their movements. Okay, and these celestial bodies are of two types. One is having their own light, example stars, and the other is do not having their own light but reflect the lights. Okay, example moon and planets. And what does planet means? Planet means wanderer. Okay, so note it down. I'm giving you 2 seconds of time, just take the screenshot of it. Okay friends. Okay friends, I'm going to erase it. Okay friends. Okay friends, after celestial bodies, we will discuss about the galaxies and their types of galaxies. So what are galaxies? So galaxies are the system of, we can say, stars held by mutual gravitation and isolated from the same system in the space. Okay, so their dimensions is between 80,000 to 1 lakh 50,000 light years. Light years is the, we can say, we can say it is a type of unit that is used to measure the distance if we talk about the universe, or we can say large number of time. Okay, and it contains large number of gas clouds and also billions of stars. So galaxies contains large number of gas clouds and billions of stars also. So this is all about the galaxies, and now we will discuss about the type of the galaxies. So there are basically three types of the galaxies. The first one is elliptical galaxy. Okay, so elliptical galaxy, these are the flattened ball containing little gas. These are like the flattened balls and contain little gas. Okay, and the massive galaxies having trillion of the stars, the the massive galaxies that contains trillions of stars falls in this category. Okay, which is elliptical galaxy. So this is all about the galaxy and the one of the type of galaxy which is elliptical galaxy. And please note it down, and it is very easy topic. After that, we will discuss about the another two types of the galaxy. Okay, so I am giving you 2 seconds some time, just note it down and take the screenshot of it. Okay. Okay friends, I am raising it. Okay friends, so now we will discuss about the other two types of the galaxies. So the first one is spiral galaxies and the second one is irregular galaxies. So what are spiral galaxies? Spiral galaxies are of flattened shape. Okay, so the first point is that these are of flattened shape. Another point is that these are a type of projection in the center formed by old stars and surrounded by disk of young stars which are arranged in spiral form. So basically these are a type of projection which are formed by the old stars, and and we can say they are around the old stars in the form of disks containing the young stars. Okay, so these are type of projection in the center which are formed by the old stars and surrounded by the disk of young stars arranged in spiral form. Now the second or the third galaxy or the third type of galaxy are irregular galaxies. They do not have a particular shape. So as the name suggests, the irregular galaxies do not have particular shape. just note it down that they do not have particular shape, and the center of the galaxy releases huge amount of heat radiation, radio waves and x-rays. So what, this is a very important point, the center of the galaxy which are of irregular galaxies. So the center of the irregular galaxies releases huge amount of radiations, or we can say radio waves and x-rays. So they releases huge amount of heat, radiations and radio waves and x-rays. So this was all about the three types of the galaxies. So just note it down. After that we will discuss about the major galaxies that are in our universe. Okay, so I am giving you 2 seconds of time, just take the screenshot of it. Okay. Okay friends, I am going to erase it. Okay friends, so now we will discuss about the major galaxies. Okay, so there are basically two major galaxies which are the Milky Way galaxy and the another one is Andromeda galaxy. As the name Milky Way suggests that it means, we can say it looks like a white band of light. That's why this is named as Milky Way galaxy, and our solar system is a part of this Milky Way galaxy, and the shape of this is large bad spiral galaxy. Okay, so it is basically large bad spiral galaxy. Now the second one, which is Andromeda galaxy, it is, we can say, uh, known as it is also known as the Messier 31. So the another name of the Andromeda galaxy is Messier 31, and it is also bad spiral galaxy and approximately 25 million light years from the earth. Okay, so it is at the distance of 25 million light years from the earth, and also it is nearest galaxy to the Milky Way galaxy. Okay, so these are few facts related to the major galaxies, so just note out them. First one is Milky Way galaxy, our solar system is part of this. Okay, note it down that Milky Way galaxy, and it appears as milky band of light in the sky, that's why it is named as Milky Way, and the shape of it is large bad spiral galaxy. Okay, so note it, this is very important point. And Andromeda galaxy, it is also known as Messier 31, and it is a bad spiral galaxy and approximately 25 million light years from the earth, and nearest galaxy to the Milky Way. Okay friends, so note down this. After that we will study more about the universe and their components. Okay, I am giving you 2 seconds of time to take the screenshot of it. Okay friends. Okay friends, I am going to erase it. Okay friends, so now we will discuss about the galaxy and the formation of the stars. Okay, so first of all, there was a unit I forgot to tell you, that what a light year is. So light year is used for measuring of the distance, and one light year is equal to the distance called in 9 into 9.461 into 10 to the power 12 kilometer. Okay, so it is approximately to it. Now if we will discuss about the time taken by the sunlight to reach on the earth, then it is 8.311 minute. It is the time that the sunlight take to reach on the surface of the earth. Now how the galaxies were formed, so and the stars were formed, we will discuss about it. So the galaxy were formed by the accumulation of hydrogen gas. The galaxies were formed by the accumulation of hydrogen gas in the form of very large clouds, which were called nebula. So these were formed by the accumulation of the hydrogen gas in the form of very large clouds known as nebula. And after these nebulas rises to form clump of clouds. Okay, these nebulas rises to form clump of clouds which condensed to gaseous bodies, giving the formation of stars. So basically the galaxies are formed by the accumulation of the hydrogen gas in the form of large clouds which are known as nebula, and large gases, we can say large cloud which form the nebula, and these nebula give form the clump of clouds which condense to gaseous bodies. These nebulas form the clump of clouds which after some time condense to form the gaseous bodies, and these led to the formation of the stars. Okay, now the formation of stars was before, we can say, 5 to 6 billion years ago. Okay, so these are some of the facts related to the galaxies and the formation of the stars. So you have to note it down, and after that just revise them also. So this lecture ends with this galaxy and their we can say formation of the stars. In the next lecture we will discuss about the stars and the solar system, and also about the moon, the formation of the moon, all these. Okay, so again I want to say that please like, share and subscribe my channel, and be consistent with me, watch my video every day, and I promise you and believe in me that I will make you learn all the important topics of the geography which you think that they are harder for you to understand. I will make them easier for you. Okay friends, so thank you for watching my video, and at last I will again say that please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, thank you.